Scoledon circulatory system. Today we learnt scoledon in blood circulation. Scoledon in single type of circulation is present. Single type of circulation means blood flows only one time to heart. One time to heart. That process known as single circulatory system. So look, this is heart, this is heart, this is Cuvarian ducts. Blood, deoxygenated blood flow into the heart through to the gill slits. Through to the gill slits for purification. After purification, the blood cannot come to heart. This blood supply the all body parts. So that is called single circulatory system. Okay. Next, scoledon in heart. The circulatory system of scoledon contains blood, heart, artery system and venous system. First one we learned blood. The blood is reddish in color. It has a liquid plasma and cellular components. The cellular components included RBC, WBC, platelets. Okay, this blood in components. Next one, heart. The heart of scoledon is located beneath the pharynx. Beneath the pharynx place, it is a conical muscular organ. Conical shaped. Okay, muscular organ. This is heart of scoledon is reddish brown. Dorsally, ventrally, beneath S-shaped tube differentiated into 4 chambers. These 4 chambers are sinus venosus, auricle, ventricle, conus articus. Okay, stretcher. Look here. This is pericardial cavity. Pericardial membrane in pharynx place. Okay, pharynx place. This is sinus venosus. Okay, first chamber sinus venosus. Next one auricle. Next one auricle. Look carefully this diagram. Okay, this is ventricle. Third chamber. First chamber is sinus venosus. Second chamber is auricle. Third chamber is ventricle. Fourth chamber conus arteriosus. Conus arteriosus and sinus venosus are associated chambers by these truly chambers. To the truly chambers, article and ventricle is truly chambers in the fishes. So this heart is only 2 chambers, but we learntly 4 chambers only called. Okay, this is sinus venosus. This one article. This one ventricle. This one conus arteriosus. Okay, look here. First one sinus venosus. we we learnt sinus venosa structure. Firstly, it is thin-walled triangular shape. Look here, this shape is triangular, thinny layers, sac-like structure. Sac-like structure. Sinus venosus received blood through a pair of ducts. Received blood, a pair of ducts from the all body parts. First one, Cuvarian ducts. Okay, Cuvarian ducts. Next one is hepatic sinus. Hepatic sinus. Okay, two ducts open into the sinus venosus. A pair of hepatic ducts also open into the sinus venosus posterior side. This is anterior, this is posterior. Okay. Next, anteriorly sinus venosus is open into the chamber. This chamber is called auricle. This opening is called sinus. This opening is called sinus auricle aperture. Sinus arterial aperture. Okay, sinus auricle aperture, this one. Aperture which is guarded. One pair of walls is present. For guarded. This is as known as sinus auricle walls. Sinus auricle walls. Okay, sinus auricle walls present in this aperture. Next one, this is atrium. Atrium chamber structure. We know artery is triangle also. This chamber is also triangle shaped structure, sponge like structure present in this chamber present in front of the sinus venosus and dorsal to the ventricles. Front of the sinus venosus. Okay, dorsal to the ventricle. It was compared with thicker than sinus venosus. These walls are thicker than sinus venosus walls. Okay. Next, these walls open. This chamber open into the ventricle. Opened by throw on this chamber. Opens are called auriculoventricular aperture. Okay, auriculoventricular aperture. This aperture guarded on one pair of walls. That is called auriculoventricular walls, or another is called bilabiated valves. Bilabiated valve. Okay, one pair of valves present in this aperture. Next one. These walls around this place have some muscles, some fibric elastic muscles present in this called carotid tendini. Carotid tendini. They check the movements. They check the movements of bilateral valves. Okay, bilabiated valves check the muscles in these movements. Blood flow from the atrium to ventricle. Blood flow atrium to ventricle. Atrium to ventricle, deoxygenated blood. Next one chamber is ventricle. Next one chamber is ventricle. Ventricle lies below the atrium. Okay, already we know this is anterior part, this is posterior part. Okay, so ventricle lies below the atrium. Okay, upside, below the atrium. It is permanent chamber also. This is also permanent, this is also permanent. Article permanent chamber, ventricle also permanent chamber with the thick and highly, these walls thick and highly muscular walls compared the article and sinus venosus. Sinus venosous walls. The inner surface, the inside surface of the ventricle is produced in numerous muscular stands. Numerous muscular stands in the ventricle inner side. In the ventricle inner side give the sponge appearance. Give the sponge appearance. Okay. Anterior side, posterior side, anterior side ventricle is continuously goes to head part, that is called conus arteriosus. Conus arteriosus. Okay, these walls, this ventricle opens guarded by two rows of three valves. Two rows of three valves. Okay, next one we learnt the chamber is conus articus. Chamber is conus articus. Okay, it is the thicked valved and muscular tube. Okay, look here, muscular valves from the anterior part of the ventricle. Anterior part of the ventricle. It's situated place. Anterior place of ventricle. Okay, anterior place of ventricle. This conus venosus. Inner part of conus venosus is rows semilunar valves. Inside semilunar valves present. Each row contains three valves. Each row three valves present. Three valves, one dorsal. One valve is dorsal side. Two ventrolateral valves. Ventrolateral sides. Ventrally lateral sides. One is dorsal side. Okay. Besides these valves, there is small accessory valves. Okay, this besides accessory valves. Look here picture. Okay, these valves. Okay, see the conus venosus. Okay, this chamber is conus arteriosus. These valves partially, okay, dorsally one valve. This is semilunar valve. Semilunar valves. Two rows. One, two. Two rows in present. Okay, middle rows in dorsal. Second one is ventriculolateral sides. Beside these valves there is semi-associated. This one chundi, small. Look here, small valves present in either sides, dorsal valves, each rows. Okay, finally chordae tendica tended forward into these walls, forward into these walls. Okay, look here, and backwards from these walls, all the walls, rows of this blood flow from ventricular to conus arteriosus volni, conus arteriosus volni, not to the flow backside. So this help in these walls. Okay, conus arteriosus is anteriorly continues to ventral aorta, ventral aorta. This goes to blood gristlets, okay, gristlets to goes the blood. This is Scleroderm in heart stature, look here, material also present. Look once, this is blood, this is head, this is heart, this is sinus venosus, arterium, ventricular. Okay, look, sinus arteriosus. Okay, next one, the backwards shoe. Next class in function also land. Okay, now in this class continue the blood, functioning of blood. Okay, look, all body parts to carry the blood after two Caverian ducts. Okay, look here, Caverian ducts. Okay, look, Caverian ducts to బాడీ పార్ట్స్. ఓకే, దీంట్లోంచి బాడీ పార్ట్స్ నుంచి ఏమవుతుంది, బ్లడ్ మొత్తం కలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటుంది. ఓకే, బ్లడ్ మొత్తం కలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని ఈ ట్యూబ్స్ కూడా ఒకటి హెపటిక్, ఒకటి క్యూవేరియన్. ఓకే, దీస్ వాల్స్ ఓపెన్ ఇంటు ద సీనస్ వినోసస్ ఓపెనింగ్ ఇంటు ద సీనస్ వినోసస్. ఏమవుతుంది, రిలాక్సేషన్ అయినప్పుడు దీంట్లోకి బ్లడ్ అనేది వస్తుంది. దేంట్లోకి ఆర్టికల్లోకి వస్తుంది. ఆర్టికల్ నుంచి బ్లడ్ అనేది దేని నుంచి, ఆరిక్యులో వెంట్రికులర్ అపేర్చర్ ద్వారా దేంట్లోకి డిఆక్సినేటెడ్ బ్లడ్ అనేది వెంట్రికల్లోనికి వస్తుంది. ఈ వెంట్రికల్లోనికి వచ్చిన బ్లడ్ మళ్ళీ వెనక్కి పోకుండా ఇక్కడ ఒక వాల్స్ అనేవి ఏమనుకున్నాం దాని పేరు, బైలాబియేటెడ్ వాల్స్ అనేవి ఇక్కడ ఉపయోగపడుతున్నాయి వెనక్కి పోకుండా. దీని నుంచి మళ్ళీ దేంట్లోకి వెళ్తుంది, దీని పేరు ఏంటనుకున్నాం, కోనస్ ఆర్టెరియోసిస్లోనికి బ్లడ్ పంపబడుతుంది. ఇక్కడ అర్ధచంద్రాకారపు కవాటాలు అనేవి 3 జతల్లో ఉంటున్నాయి. సెమీ ల్యూనార్ వాల్స్ అనేవి ఇక్కడ ప్రజెంట్ అయి ఉంటున్నాయి. దీని ద్వారా ఇక్కడ నుంచి బ్లడ్ అనేది మొప్ప చీలికలకి పంపబడుతుంది. మొప్ప చీలికలు పంపి అక్కడ శుద్ధి అయ్యి మళ్ళీ బాడీ పార్ట్స్కి అనేది వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఈ విధంగా మళ్ళీ బ్లడ్ అనేది దేనికి, గుండెకి రావట్లేదు కాబట్టి దీన్ని ఏమంటాం, ఏక ప్రసరణ వ్యవస్థ అని మనం చెప్పుకున్నాం. సింగిల్ సర్క్యులరీ సిస్టమ్. This track is present sinus venosus after opening into article to ventricles, ventricle to conus arteriosus, conus arteriosus to pass into the gristlets, the blood. Gristlets in the process of purification after blood is go to all body parts. Okay, efferent artery system. This is heart and functioning of heart.